Hi everyone and welcome to another video. So random place to start the video, I know, but I haven't vlogged today yet, so I thought I would start it now while I do my eyeshadow. I'm going to be using my Morphe palette for the first time, so I thought I would bring you along with me. I already did my foundation, but I haven't done any concealer or anything like that. So I'm going to be using the Morphe palette and I'm just going to freestyle it, so I'm not going to tell you what I'm using. I am out without the kids. This feels really very weird, but it feels nice to get out. Guess who I'm with? This girl! Yeah, we've come to a chaiwala. Well, we're parking up outside and we're gonna get everything because we're both starving hungry.
Today.
Yeah, we haven't eaten at all. So I thought I would do a chaiwala haul. What did we get? Show me.
What's the butter chicken?
We got a butter chicken roll. We got a desi breakfast, which has got paratha, dal. What do you guys say? Dal or dar? Dal. I don't know. Like, I've just been taking the mick out of so much when I say dal, because everyone says dal apparently. So tell me what you guys say in the comments, because I say dar. It just sounds stupid me saying this right now. Anyway, we got some omelette, some dar, and some paratha. And what else did we get?
I don't know what this is. What flavour it is?
Gajar halwa.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't know what gajar means, but
I think it's carrot, isn't it?
we got we got a carrot, a gajar halwa cheesecake. You should have seen us trying to decide which cake to get. But anyway, we're gonna enjoy this now. What should we eat first?
Everything.
Everything. Oh my god, I miss this so much. Oh my god, it's so good. Oh, I didn't realise how much I miss chaiwala. Oh, very much.
Oh, really hot. Really hot. Oh, well, that's hot.
All fresh on it, bro.
Oh, so good. Even better without screaming children. I know. Hot, very hot.
So just got back from Home Bargains and I thought I would do a little haul. So this is the bag that I got. I picked up some toothbrushes. I got a bottle brush because I picked up some of these for the kids' smoothies. Because Elisa's got the one that's glass and that's a bit dangerous for her. So I thought these would be perfect for their smoothies. Do you like them?
Yes.
Okay, you can't have them yet because I don't want you to put your mouth on them, okay? This would be perfect to wash them out. And then I picked up some bubble ones for the kids, a Paw Patrol one and a Peppa Pig one. Elisa's gonna do a bubble for you. Wow, good job. And then I got a dish brush because these are so good. Also, it's got a scraper at the back of it, so if you've got like stubborn food, scrape it off. And then I picked up some of these fruit snacks for the kids. These are like the little rolls. I don't know, I got 2 flavors. I got, oh yeah.
Let me show you.
I got blackcurrant ones and I got raspberry ones.
Let me show you.
Oh, you can see, darling. You want one?
No.
Say please. Good boy.
How this can work?
Good job. All right. Wow. Wow. Good job. I got some Robinson's diluted drink. I got some elbow grease. And then I picked up this LENOR CREASE releaser. I've seen this on social media a lot and I thought I would try it out. And then when it's really hot and sunny outside, I always get really bad hay fever. If you've been watching my last few videos, you will know. So I picked up some hay fever allergy relief tablets. You just take one a day and then it will stop your allergies, hopefully. So I got those. I picked up some maple syrup. I got some more of these. These are like 39p. I got some razors. Wow. And then I picked up some rubber gloves. I don't know where any of mine have gone. Oopsie. Then I got some of these fruit snacks for the kids as well. I picked up some limes. I also picked up 2 bath bombs which have got gems in them apparently, so Elisa and Isa are gonna love these bath bombs. Yeah. So cool, huh?
Wow, we can even find them in the bath. Hooray! I love those.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And then I got a spare spotlight for the kitchen. Thank you, darling.
Because Lisa dropped it on the floor.
Thank you.
So that's right.
And then I picked up a pumice stone. This is for like the skin, the dead skin on your feet when you have a shower. You just scrub it off. What are you doing? You can't have them. And then I picked up 2 shampoo and conditioners for the kids because we needed some new shampoo and conditioner. Elisa, out of the video. Out of the video, darling, please.
Hello, guys.
You're naked. And then the very last thing that I got was a wham bar, and I love these.
I have got clothes on.
Get out! The very last thing that I picked up was a wham bar, and before any of you say this is haram, this is not haram. This is my favourite sweet. It's amazing.
Hello,
Wow.
guys.
Get out, Mimi Joe! Get out! Get out!
If you have clothes on.
You don't.
I still have clothes on.
But anyway, that is everything that I picked up from Home Bargains. So I've decided that I'm going to test out this because if this works, then I never need to iron again, basically. So I'm going to try it on my maxi dress, the green one, and see how this works. Okay, so basically I've read the instructions. It says spray, pull and smooth, and hang. It also says spray fabrics with a sweeping motion until slightly damp. Spray fabric from a distance of approximately 15 centimeters. So let's try this. Okay, so I think that actually worked really well. Can you see? The creases have come out really well. I'm actually shocked that that worked. I didn't think it would. But how amazing is that? Like, it's not perfect, but without an iron you're not going to get it perfect. But how good is that? I'm actually shocked. Can you tell? So I've got a Pashmina scarf, and the reason I hardly ever wear Pashmina scarves is because they need ironing before you wear them. As you can see here, this is how creased it is. I'm going to try and get all the creases out and we'll see how it is. So here's the before. This is the after. Now it's not perfect, as you can see by some parts of it, but you know what? I would actually wear a scarf that is this crease. Not that crease, it's like alright, it's not bad. So I think this product is a win. I am so impressed by that, so I'm definitely going to be using this again and again and again and again. But anyway, that was my little testing of the LENOR crease releaser, and yeah, it's a win basically. It's not perfect, but it does the job. But anyway, I'm going to end this video now because I'm just going to get the kids to bed and then that's it really. I'm going to just chill, watch some Netflix, do some editing. But yeah, that's going to be the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I will see you in my next one. Bye!